Welcome to OEMup. In this video, we'll learn how to build your own dashboard. Open the Dashboard module. For creating first time, click on Create your first dashboard. Give your dashboard a name. You can start from scratch or pick one of the quick suggestions. Then click Create Dashboard. Now you can fill it with tiles. Click Add Tile. Tiles are grouped by module, sales, procurement, stock, and task, so you can pull key numbers from anywhere in OEMup. Search for a tile, or browse a category, and add the ones that matter to you: total orders, pending orders, revenue, stock value, out-of-stock items, and many more. As you add them, your tiles appear on the dashboard, each showing a live number straight from the database. Alongside the number tiles, you'll find charts, like the monthly revenue trend and customer orders by status, that turn your data into a clear visual story. Every tile is interactive. Hover over a tile C, so a single click takes you from a headline number behind it. You can shape the layout to suit you. Resize any tile, small, medium, large, or full width, and drag your tiles into the order you prefer. Use the time range at the top to change the period. Switch between this month, the full financial year, or set a custom date range and apply it, and every tile updates instantly to match. Need to share it? Use Export to download the dashboard as a PDF report, an Excel or CSV file, or JSON, perfect for review meetings. To personalize the look, open Edit Dashboard. Rename it, choose a chart color theme, and rearrange your tiles by dragging them. And you are not limited to just one. You can create as many dashboards as you like, a separate view for sales, procurement, production, or management, each saved to your account. That's how you build your